Hey everybody, Angry Sarge back to address something that was left in the comments regarding this Alien Gear holster and the mounting of the Rapid Force Tactical adapter, which I didn't see until somebody really addressed it in my video. Apparently, on the video, I didn't mount the small screw. However, whenever I went back, and it may have been something I clipped out on an accident or something like that, but I went back apparently and actually put it in. So I took this off and I looked and verified just to get back to him, because I was like, yeah, that's not right. And sure enough, in the video I didn't mount it, but here I did. So let's address that right now. Which is crazy, because it's right here. Shows you mount all three screws, but the first screw is the small screw, which I'm about to show you after I get this other screw off. But I'm gonna keep this kind of loose because I do have to mount a plate on there. But for now, that screw right there. So that was mounted. I just didn't show it, and I want to address it kind of touching back to the original Alien Gear video. So wanted to make sure y'all knew, when you do this, you got to make sure you do this screw first. It's kind of a caveat, and I'm thankful that this viewer, which I'm going to mention, it's JP's Garage at SOHC Turbo. So I'll post it up here at the top and give him credit. So I appreciate that, man. Thanks for looking at the video, watching it, and then commenting something that gives value to that video. So thank you. And on that, I don't want to keep this too long, but like I said, this is part of the mounting process. You need to make sure that you do have that screw in there, and then you can stick the QLS on with the longer screws. So it's on here. Make sure you read the directions and you'll be good to go. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.